What's up, YouTube? Barn Built Crew. Car's locked. But back to what I was saying. Barn Built Crew, we're back. Another video. Another early morning. Today we're headed to the track. We got the truck. Bikes are in the barn. Let's load these things up and let's get on the road. It's me and Mike today. The first track day of the summer. I'm pretty pumped. I figured we'd do a little vlog. So, day has started, guys. Fresh rubber. Both the bikes. Finally. So I'm waiting for Mike. He's coming down now. We're about to load up the bikes and hit the road. On the way we're going to MX23 today in, I believe, Brookfield, Massachusetts. So last video you guys saw, we went to Wareham. Awesome place. We're switching it up. We're going to go see what else is relatively close to us. I think it's about 2 hours away. Okay, as you can see, we got the bikes up here, and we don't have a ramp, so we just had to muscle the 450 and the 250 up. Another dilemma, he's looking for straps. We are about to be leaving momentarily. Now we are 20 minutes out, and we're almost there. Pretty excited to get back on the track, guys. I know you guys have been watching all the videos. Thank you very much. We've been doing a lot of trail riding and a lot of wheelies. A bunch of car stuff mixed up in there. Just been real busy ever since the good weather hit. But all of June we're gonna be trying to go to the track. So we got brand new tires. We're ready to go. We're gonna lay out. And we are just about here, guys. We finally made it. Brookfield, Mass. Bikes made it too. Nice and tight. Look at these rubbers, kid. Boys, we are ready to go. We're about to fill up the gas tanks and get riding. So, yeah, just us two, just me and Mike out here today. Our buddy Josh and Tanner actually both broke their bikes this weekend, so that was unfortunate. Here, fellas, we made it. Okay, so the lady told us to pick a spot and go sign up, and we're good. Let's find a nice little shade spot. We got a bunch of bikes here today, guys. Let's get it. My people, guys, we're signed in, wristbanded up, and I'm about to strap you guys to my helmet for my first lap of the season on the track. Let's go. finished the first moto of the day, guys. How to rate it? Awesome, super fun, but motocross tracks, they take a lot of energy out of you, and I think me and Mike both did about probably 3 laps each, and then took a break, did another lap. So going to rest up and wait for our next session. It's gonna be a long month, guys, and we're gonna really try and hone our track skills, even though we are not track riders at all, but gotta love it. Street, trails, dirt, track, everything. In between motos here. Who thinks I'm the only one here with a scrape fender? So we're waiting. I think they got the kids out right now. Bikes are running mint. Fresh rubber. Gorgeous day, guys. I mean, you can't really wish for more. Perfect, about 80. Track's perfectly dry. Oddly enough, this tire was flat this morning. Not gonna lie, it was flat, but it's been holding 20 psi ever since. So, just gonna keep sending it. Update, it's about 2:30, almost 3. Just sitting around watching the A-B riders. If you're not familiar with motocross, they split up the sessions A, B, and then C. Me and my brother are in C because we are not the best. Well, guys, we just finished our second moto of the day. Rested up and ate. Having an awesome day so far. The track conditions are perfect. Couldn't be better for us beginners to start getting, how do you say it, acclimated to the track again. Tires, brand new tires, could not be better on the track, the dirt track, so I'm really gripping up good. Arm pump like crazy, a couple 3-4 laps, and then I'm basically dead. So I'm gonna throw you guys on the helmet for the third moto of the day, and we're gonna get some clips on the track. And yeah, it's about 2 o'clock, so we still got a couple hours left. Should be good. Having a blast out here. We're gonna be at the track all June, guys, so hope you guys love the videos. guys, just like that, the day is over. The machines took the abuse today, nice and dirty. Tires were amazing. And my body is completely sore, but it feels so good to start getting back into motocross shape. Guys, it's gonna be a long month. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of us loading up the bikes because it might end up funny because it's just us two with no ramp and some shitty straps. But other than that, we are about to pack up, head on home, back to Cowtown, guys. So like I said at the beginning of the video, we're gonna be riding tracks all month. Oh, I got a little bit on the camera here. We're gonna be riding motocross all month, and I hope everyone likes the little switch up from wheelies. Obviously, we got car stuff coming too. The Neon will be out in the next week or two. I'm waiting on a couple miscellaneous little parts just to make it perfect. But other than that, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be a good summer.